Hey guys, I'm designing the design part now, the modeling part of the BIM compiler on the browser. You can see that with the grid system, building has this grid and where we'll readjust, and then we will put in MEP and we can play back the actual building. Let me show you what's the actual building. Okay, this is where we started with the building, which you already know. So I have the Red Pill. You remember the Red Pill, the Matrix movie? You want to go down a rabbit hole? And this all the other stuff. This is the measuring. Okay, so let me get the measuring. So you give you things like this, right? So you can measure a distance even across a curved surface. Not really, you'll cut through. So you can do it here. So you give you that, and you can search for things. Okay, things like that. You can share this. You will share this and you can send to someone. You'll load the whole application. I have a help here. Yeah, we got clash metrics and so on. And I also have more. You can have shadow. Okay, you can have the shadow. You can have the background auto white when you want to print. You can have night mode, okay, night mode, and you can have it maximum, all this, even in browser. Yes, you can have all this in browser, and it will work too. So this is the new breakthrough technology, and I have it in ERP also. I have my ERP. If you go there, I'm not gonna. I will show you. So it's no big deal to. Oops. Oh yeah, I've deployed to a new location. So I'll close that. New location is shorter. Is github.io red1oon and ootbdev. I'll put it in the description. So home, large, palette. You can have color changes. You can have sun and so forth. Let me turn off the night mode. So a lot of changes I've done here. Let me reset. So let me get back to the Red Pill. Okay, share everything. What else? Okay, fly around. Okay, you can use shortcut keys. Is L. Okay, it's L. You have stories. Okay, you can have discipline. There's not much discipline here. Okay, you can see through. Okay, so back to the new stuff. This is the killer, the Red Pill. So let's press the Red Pill. You can see that it shows the grid. Now this is not supposed to happen. It's supposed to only show. Let me refresh if it's been done. It's supposed to just show. No, not supposed to show everything. Okay, let me explain the concept. It's supposed to show just this 4 envelope of the house, and then we will do next. You plant all the slab and the walls, and then time machine is you play the real house. If you have not changed it, what you have done, save it. And then UBBL compliance. Rosetta Stone is when the system is not accurate because AI has no geometry. I'm not using AI. AI is my pair programmer, but sometimes it set the line for me not correctly. Yeah, this is my AI here. I'll just say your grid is still not initial stage. Okay, so this is my program. It does not get things right. I will use on the Rosetta Stone where I can move the lines here is not being activated. But that's the idea. I'll say that no, you did not get the wall. It's my program, because in the underlying code, which I'm not going to look at, it's JavaScript. I, as a Java programmer, I know what's supposed to do. Okay. Next, we'll give the wall, this other wall facade, and then I begin to adjust it according to any other building I'm having. Let's say I have this large building, a clinic. You also will go through the same process. Okay, let me refresh, because oh, what happened? Oh my god, I did something. Oh, something happened to okay, let me pull up another building. If these things happen, let me pull up another building. This is a smaller one. Assembly. So okay, let's say this is built. When I go to, I have to refresh because the code keep changing. I need a refresh. I do not know how to knock out the cache. Okay, so I put on the red pill. Okay, here it is. But you see, it has all this small measurement. No, I do not want that. I want it to just give me AA, BB, and then I adjust. I play next. You get the concept. In a day or two, I'll probably have this working and running. Don't worry. Okay, so this is the red pill. Otherwise, it's back to this. So I got the compiler. I have the bill of material. You can read up further in the document. How do you get the document? You go home and you can have the theory. It tells you everything here. Oh, why is this not there? And about the roadmap. Oh, I think I got it too big. Yeah, here it is. Okay, how things work. Everything is there. Okay then. This certainly has a problem. Okay, anyway, cool, yeah? Bye.